for personal account.
Golden rules of
For,
bookkeeping. Yeah.
yes, so there are three components: personal account, real account, and nominal account. Personal accounts, like for a individual, it means debit the taker and credit the giver. And in the nominal account, debit the expenses and credit the income. And for the real account, the things comes in debited debit what goes out and credit what comes in.
Hmm. Good. That is correct. You told correctly. Then, um, what is a credit note?
Credit note is issued by the creditor, stating that your account has been credited with that amount. It is issued when we return products to the manufacturer. It states that
Hmm.
your account has been credited for the goods returned by you.
What is a promissory note?
Promissory note, it is a type of it is contained in the section 4 of the bills of exchange. Promissory note states that I promise the bearer to pay a certain sum at a following date in the near future.
Not
It should be the conditions are, it should be written. It should contain the word promise, and it should specify the time at which the payment will be made uh, to
no,
the
no.
beneficiary.
Promissory note में ऐसा नहीं है. Promissory note is an instrument in writing containing unconditional undertaking signed by the maker to pay a certain sum of money only to or to the order of a certain person or to the
Yes, sir.
bearer of the instrument, but date will not be fixed.
Okay, sir.
Date will not be mentioned therein. Only bill
Okay,
of
sir.
exchange only will mention that. Good. What is a check?
Check is a negotiable instrument. It can be bearer check or open
Hmm.
checks means that it can be taken by in account too. Means that you can transfer it to another person.
But इसमें पहले you have to give an important word. It is drawn on a specified banker and
Drawn on a
it is payable on demand. A point there
demand.
बोलना.
Okay, sir.
What is a stale check?
Stale checks mean check which has crossed it date. It is more than issue of after 90 days.
Good.
The checks become a stale check. Now con- uh, it cannot be made for clearing in bank.
It will not be honored.
Yes, sir.
बैंक रिकन्सिलिएशन स्टेटमेंट का मतलब क्या है?
Bank reconciliation statement is a statement which is prepared so that the
Hmm.
difference can be sustained, and entry can be made so that the difference can be cleared.
What is the bad debt?
Bad debt is the debt under which your debtor has not paid you certain payment, and in the near future it comes that if we will not be able to recover the amount, then the amount becomes bad debts. Then we have to pass a entry to clear it, bad debt account debit to debtor, to close the debtor's account.
No, but don't tell this and all. Some people follow that. Don't tell about passing the account to another one and all. जरूरत नहीं. खाली ये बोलने से हो जाएगा. Bad debt is an account where the installments are not received properly. Interest is also not paid properly.
Okay,
But
sir. I'm
in the
okay,
case
sir. I
of
thought
bank,
that.
in the case of banking, when it is not paid for 90 days and above, it is classified as non-performing asset.
Yes, sir.
What is depreciation?
Depreciation means decrease in the value of fixed assets if in the course of the use of time of the resources.
What are the two? Hmm.
There are two methods: straight line method and written down value method.
What are the fictitious assets?
Fictitious assets are those assets under which the benefit will occur over a given period of time. For example, advertisement expenses. Advertisement are expenses for which we will receive the benefits in the upcoming years. So that the company's balance sheet does not fall immediately, the expenses are particularly divided among sum of years so that the balance sheet is fair and it gives a true picture of the company.
Yeah. Fictitious assets are those assets not represented by tangible possession of the property. Example, preliminary expenses, discount on issue of shares, debit balance in the profit and loss account when shown on the asset side of the balance sheet. Very good. You told correctly, but
Yes, sir.
what is a goodwill?
That goodwill means goodwill is a cash. It is a assets which is above the current assets and fixed assets, which are created by the image of the company. It is a in it is also a intangible assets like copyright, also trademark and goodwill. Goodwill is not shown in the balance sheet, but if we have purchased the goodwill, then purchased goodwill is shown in the balance sheet.
Good, good answer. Now, please tell me what is outstanding income.
Outstanding income means the income which we have earned but not received during that particular period. Then it is our outstanding income and it is shown in the column of assets in the balance sheet.
What are equity shares?
Equity shares are those shares under which there is no preferential right of there is no preferential right of dividend after the preference shareholders and debenture holders are paid. Then equity shareholders can get the amount, can get the right over the residual left after paying the those assets. Those preference shareholders or debenture holders, they are the owners of the company. Equity shareholders, they also get the right in the participation of voting rights also.
Hmm. What is a subscribed capital?
Subscribed capital is that part of authorized share capital which has been subscribed by the general public during the issue of shares in the market.
Hmm. Good. What are secret reserves?
Secret reserve.
Hmm. Secret
Sorry,
reserves
sir.
are the reserves, the existence of which does not appear on the face of balance sheet. In such a situation, net assets position of the business is so stronger than that disclosed in the balance sheet. These reserves are created by excessive debit of an asset, excessive overvaluation of liability, complete elimination of an asset, or undervaluation of an asset. समझ गया?
Yes, sir.
Now come to insurance. What are the principles of insurance?
There are principles of insurance are principle of insurable interest, second principle of subrogation, third principle of indemnity, principle fourth principle of contribution. The sir, I have to explain this also.
No, no, tell only the headings, then I will ask one or two.
सर एक दो और हैं बट वो नाम नहीं याद आ रहे.
You told principle of insurable interest, principle
Yes,
of
sir.
indemnity,
Yes, sir.
then
Principle of
principle of
subrogation.
प्रिंसिपल ऑफ कंट्रीब्यूशन, सब्रगेशन, ये सब बता दिया.
यस
एंड
सर.
अटमोस्ट गुड फेथ बताया,
हाँ सर, बता दिया प्रिंसिपल ऑफ एटमोस्ट गुड फेथ.
वो भी बता दिया, ठीक है. प्रिंसिपल ऑफ कंट्रीब्यूशन भी बोल दिया. देन आपने जो नहीं बोला है, प्रिंसिपल ऑफ लॉस मिनिमाइजेशन, देन प्रिंसिपल ऑफ कासा प्रोक्सिमा और प्रोक्सीमेट कॉस. समझ
यस
गया.
सर. यस सर. यस सर.
बट ये सब का बारे में अब तैयार होने से अच्छा है, दे कैन आस्क यू टू एक्सप्लेन अबाउट इट. ओके,
यस सर. यस सर, आई नो अबाउट दैट.
यू नो अबाउट इट. वेरी गुड. आई एम हैप्पी, यू आर टेलिंग
थैंक
नाइसली.
यू सर.
आज का कागज न्यूज़पेपर देखा?
नहीं सर, अभी उठा ही हूँ. अब रात को 2 बजे सोया था आपसे इंटरव्यू लेके बस. 11 बजे तो अपना इंटरव्यू हुआ ही था, अराउंड 11 साढ़े 11 तक. तो बस न्यूज़पेपर अब पढ़ूंगा सर, लेक्चर के
न्यूज़पेपर
बाद.
पढ़ा नहीं न, पर अक्षर के बाद कल का पेपर पढ़ लिया आपने?
सर थोड़ा बहुत देखा था, बट इतना डीपली नहीं पढ़ा. अभी करंट थोड़ी सी वीक है.
कल का न्यूज़ पढ़ना है जी.
ओके सर.
कल का न्यूज़ में आपको देखते हैं. अम, कल का न्यूज़ में विच प्लेस आर यू लिविंग?
सूरतगढ़, राजस्थान.
राजस्थान, राइट. पर राजस्थान में कुछ न्यूज़ है अभी, ओनली दैट डॉक्टर स्ट्राइक क्या हुआ?
सर उसमें क्या है कि गवर्नमेंट ने राइट टू हेल्थ लगा दिया. राइट टू हेल्थ में अगर कोई पेशेंट इमरजेंसी में है, तो देन इफ गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल्स आर नॉट अवेलेबल, देन यू कैन विजिट द प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल, एंड प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल कैन नॉट डिनाई योर एंट्री. एंड सेकेंडली, और इसमें स्ट्राइक्स इसलिए वो कर रहे हैं कि वो दे आर सेइंग दैट in case of emergency you are sending the patient, but you are not giving the resources for us to take that patient's operation or any emergency. So there is no provision that who will pay the certain sum if he does not pay the amount. So doctors are on strike.
अभी अभी भी स्ट्राइक चलता है और वापस हो गया?
Yes sir, चल रहा है, अभी भी चल रहा है.
ओह, वेरी बैड. गुड. अभी हमारा ब्रिटेन का प्राइम मिनिस्टर का नाम क्या है?
प्राइम मिनिस्टर ब्रिटेन का मिस्टर ऋषि सुनक.
करेक्ट. वन मिस्टर सिद्धू has come out of jail. Who is he?
सिद्धू.
सिद्धू.
सॉरी सर, ये तो नहीं पता.
Navjot Singh Sidhu, Congress leader who was in jail. He has been released. He has been released recently.
Those which used to come in Kapil Sharma show.
Navjot Singh, yeah, yeah, correct. Same person. Good.
Yes sir.
Who is Mr. Sharad Pawar?
Sharad Pawar sir, I heard this name, but I'm unable to recall who is he.
Ex-union minister and leader of the party that he is owning. He is owning some Maharashtra में NCP, National Congress Party owner.
Okay sir.
Who is Mr. Pinarayi Vijayan?
Pinarayi Vijayan is the governor of governor or Kerala, I think so.
Governor?
Of Kerala.
No.
It is
Mm.
Arif Muhammad Khan. Pinarayi Vijayan is a CM.
Yeah, a CM of Kerala.
Kerala, हाँ.
Mhm. Good. Next one. What do you know about G20?
G20, as we know, G20 presidency is with India for the 2023, and its culture capital is Varanasi, and for its various meetings are being conducted across our country. And recently, C20 Development Ministers Group was conducted in Mumbai, and there are many other meetings. Finance inclusion was conducted in Kolkata, West Bengal.
Mm. Good. अच्छा जी, आप क्रिकेट देखते हैं नहीं देखते हैं?
नहीं सर, मेरे को इंटरेस्ट नहीं है।
आपका राजस्थान में कोई गुरुजी का प्रॉब्लम था ना, उन्होंने जेल में भी डाल दिया, ससाराम ना क्या, विच
सर वो
प्लेस?
पंजाब के हैं। उनका नाम है, उनका नाम है, सर नाम याद नहीं आ रहा।
कोई बात नहीं, नो प्रॉब्लम, डोंट वरी. Now let me ask some other questions. What is meant by inflation?
Inflation means increase in the price of general prices in the economy.
Hmm.
Increase in prices, it may be
Is,
due to the economic.
is it good to have inflation?
No sir, it is not good to have. It should be in the range of 4 to 6% according to RBI, or plus 2
Hmm.
minus 2.
Hmm. Good. What is IMF?
IMF is International Monetary Fund.
Hmm. And it was in
Sir,
the news recently. They have given $15.6 billion loan to another country. What is the name of that country and why it is so? IMF. It is
IMF,
they are given to Ukraine. They
Ukraine.
have, Ukraine. It is a part of a package of $115 billion. Okay.
Okay sir. Okay.
What is Taiwan and what is the relationship between Taiwan and China?
Sorry sir.
ताइवान का प्रेसिडेंट का नाम क्या है? साई
Taiwan president. Tsai
साई इंग वेन. साई इंग वेन. साई इंग वेन.
Wen.
दैट इज वेन विद WEN. ठीक है.
Okay sir.
गुड. राजस्थान में फेमस स्पोर्ट्समैन कोई है?
Sportsman, Rajasthan.
फेमस
That
स्पोर्ट्समैन इन केरला, इन राजस्थान. कोई बात नहीं.
the
That's not very much required. Which who is your favorite hero in movies?
favorite hero sir.
Hmm,
Amir Khan.
good. Heroine?
Heroine, Alia Bhatt.
Good. Can you name five chief ministers of Rajasthan so far?
Chief ministers are Mr. Just a minute, sir. Mr. Ashok Gehlot, who is the currently CM of Rajasthan, and second is Mrs. Vasundhara Raje, and second और तो दो ही याद आ रहे हैं सर अभी तो.
1 minute. Rajasthan chief ministers. अभी तो अशोक गहलोत, then Vasundhara Raje Scindia,
Yes sir.
then um, अशोक गहलोत का नाम तो 2 बार आता है. 1 2 2 3 times आ गया उनका नाम. वसुंधरा वसुंधरा राजे के नाम भी 2 times आ गया. देन इसका बाद में आपको बायरोन सिंह शेखावत,
Shekhawat.
देन शिव चरण माथुर, हरिदेव जोशी, हीरालाल देवपुरा. These people have been there. Very good. No problem. You are more or less okay with that only. How many districts are there in Rajasthan?
Sir, recently 19 districts has been added. It was previously 33, and now the numbers comes to 50, around 50.
Around मत बोलो, correctly learn कर दो.
50. 50-50.
गुड। आपका राजस्थान में ज्यादा खेती होने वाला चीज क्या है? विच इज ग्रोन मोर?
Sir, wheat is more grown, and wheat, cotton, moong, jowar.
So what are the exports from Rajasthan?
Major exports are cotton
Hmm.
and of wheat also and sugar.
Mhm. Major exports of Rajasthan in terms of I was asking only about this thing, but दूसरा चीज बहुत कुछ दिया है. Ear wig, Indian made iron bangles, Indian made imitation jewelry, then Indian made brass items, and then which grain is famous for? It is famous for barley. आपका Rajasthan is famous for barley, wheat, gram, pulses, and seeds. Which food grain is produced in Rajasthan? Yeah, the important crops of the state are pearl millet, maize, chickpea, mustard, cluster bean, and spices. Rajasthan has the highest under pearl millet with the highest production in the country. Okay,
Okay, sir.
very good. You are able to tell this also. Now, please tell me um, what is the relationship between bank and insurance companies?
In relationship between banks and insurance companies.
हम्म, उन लोग का
Sir,
बीच बीच में
sir,
क्या काम चलेगा चलेगा?
yes, sir. Generally, the banks create a bank assure agreement with the insurance companies. Bank assure agreement means the customers, banks have customers, but insurance company customers do not visit generally. So, through the help of commercial banks or any RRBs, the insurance company sell their products. In return, they pay the certain commission to the banks for the
Yeah,
sale of the assets.
गुड गुड. The regarding large produce में आपने कॉटन बताया. Did you mention about tobacco? Tobacco भी
No,
अदर
sir.
ज्यादा चलता है. Cotton and
अच्छा, टोबैको
tobacco
भी
are
राजस्थान में.
yeah, Rajasthan में cash crops. Rajasthan is
ओके सर.
among the largest producers of edible oils in India and second
ओके सर.
largest producer of oil seeds. Rajasthan is
ओके सर.
also biggest wool producing state. Wool, WOOL,
ओके सर.
and main opium producer, main opium producer and also consumer बोलता है. क्या उधर क्या गंजा ज्यादा खाएगा ना क्या लोग?
पंजाब में ज्यादा चलता है सर. पंजाब
अच्छा,
इट इज अवर नियरिंग स्टेट.
that is the reason. Good, very good. Now, can you name the governor of Rajasthan?
सर गवर्नर इज मिस्टर जयदीप सिंह धनखड़.
Huh?
जयदीप सिंह धनखड़. धनखड़.
अच्छा.
ओ सॉरी 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 सॉरी. आई एम रॉन्ग सर. गवर्नर इज मिस्टर कलराज मिश्रा.
Hmm.
Our vice president is Jaideep Dhankar.
Yeah, vice president. President who is he?
Jaideep Dhankar.
No, president.
President. President
Hmm.
is Miss um, Draupadi Murmur.
Good, very good. Best wishes. आपको और कुछ
Thank you, sir.
क्वेश्चन पूछेगा तो यू आर आंसरिंग एवरीथिंग करेक्टली, कोई बात नहीं. हु इज योर रोल मॉडल?
Sir, my role model is my father.
व्हाट इज ही?
Sir, he owns a PDS ration shop.
व्हाट क्वालिटीज वुड यू लाइक टू लर्न फ्रॉम हिम?
Sir, qualities are my father is very old aged. He's currently 67 years, and he's now also working for our family members. and I just and I when just see him, I cannot stand by him because I feel regret that I'm unable to do something in my life. And he just had bypass surgery in the year 2022,
Oh,
and
sorry. Mhm.
so
अच्छा,
in this position he is also doing something for our needs. He just say that you become something. He is my role model there.
अच्छा जी, इस क्वेश्चन के लिए आपको आंसर जानते हैं? माइक्रो इंश्योरेंस मतलब क्या है?
Yes, sir. Micro insurance are small amount of small denominations of insurance. These are particularly made for the lower section of the society, so that we can achieve the target of financial inclusion in the economy. Financial inclusion means every individuals are connected to the banks. It may be in the form of insurance or bank services, or for of any policies like Jan Dhan account. And micro insurance means which are in the small denomination, so that every section of the society can be linked to the insurance.
Good, good point. You are told rightly. Um, there may, like, some extra points there. Hai, 1 minute. They have given some extra points. We can read that also so that we can know about it. Hold on.
Okay, sir.
Why it is not copying? I don't know. I'm doing here control copy, control uh, control B आ गया. Good. You please read this with last question for you. Please read this micro insurance का बारे में कुछ दिया है. It's not that you are not told, but फिर भी इसको पढ़ लो. Please read micro insurance.
Micro insurance is a type of insurance designed to provide low cost coverage to individuals with low income or in undeserved communities. It is often offered by insurance companies or non-profit organizations and
Undeserved,
typically covers
undeserved नहीं, underserved.
underserved
Hmm.
underserved communities. It is often offered by insurance companies or non-profit organizations and typically covers risks such as illness, accidents, or death. Insurance is intended to provide a safety net for individuals who may not be able to afford traditional insurance policies or may not have access to them. It is offered in small amounts with premiums and cover tailored to the needs of low-income communities. Microinsurance can be a critical tool for reducing poverty and promoting financial inclusion, as it helps individuals and farmers protect themselves against unexpected financial losses. It can also provide a pathway for low-income individuals to access other financial services such as credit and savings accounts. Overall, microinsurance is an important tool for increasing financial resilience and improving the well-being of low-income individuals and communities.
Good,
Okay, sir.
very good. आपने तो अच्छा पढ़ लिया. Very good. Best wish today. You answered the questions nicely. I wish you
Thank you, sir.
best of luck. Attend the interview and send me the list of questions they are asking you.
Okay, sir.
And
Thank you.
please read banking, please read newspaper, please read current affairs, please read banking इंश्योरेंस का मटेरियल जो कुछ आता है, whether it is life general, पूरा पढ़ के मन में रख लो. Go through deep about agriculture insurance corporation. उनका प्रॉफिट कितना है, उनका टोटल बिजनेस क्या है, ये सब थोड़ा देख के
सर आप मेरे
रेडी
को
कर.
बिजनेस और प्रॉफिट थोड़ा देख के बता दोगे क्या? मुझे फिगर्स मिल नहीं रहे.
हम्म,
फिगर्स, दी
अच्छा.
टर्नओवर आवर बिजनेस, आल्सो बिजनेस ऑफ राजस्थान
1 minute.
एग्रीकल्चर इंश्योरेंस. Sir, kindly help me in this.
एग्रीकल्चर इंश्योरेंस तो दैट इज अवेलेबल इन दी फसल बीमा योजना का अंदर में स्टेट वाइज लिस्ट में मिल जाता है. I saw that list.
Nice.
They have paid, they have collected premium of 272 crores. They have paid around 254 crores as, what is that? They have paid it as premium. I'm sorry, as a claim. Now,
Sir, this
the
data,
question,
this da the data is of which year?
this 2021 or something like that. You, I got it only from that website. थोड़ा deep देखने से मिल जाएगा आपको. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Agriculture Insurance Company of India is a 20-year-old company incorporated in 2002. It is classified as a public, unlisted Indian non-government company. Its authorized share capital is
No,
1,500 crore. Its paid up capital is 200 crore. Its paid up capital is 200 crore. Then here annual report इधर मिलता है. Annual reports.
you, excuse me, sir. You just
Yeah,
said it is a non-government organization.
pardon? No, no.
You
I did not say non-government organization. I said it is classified as a public list. Is classified as a public, unlisted non-government company. It's not a.
non-government company.
It is list. It is given like this. 1 minute. I know your doubt you are having. I know you are under the impression it is fully government. Ah, but
Stakeholdings
um,
are of government.
mm-mm. But this is what I see here. I will show you. See, this is what I showed. Agriculture finance, some Insta financials, they are telling about it. Agriculture insurance company incorporated is classified as a public unlisted Indian non-government company. Its authorized share capital is so and so, and its paid up capital is so and so. As per MCA, the main line of business is other business activities. Agriculture insurance company annual general meeting record so and so. The agriculture insurance company will incorporate so and so. The company is registered with email address so and so. Company is incorporated with the address plate so and so. Current
This
state
is
of the
not this is not good, sir.
this is not correct, na?
No, sir. It is not correct also, but it is not good also. That
Mm,
registration
mm,
number was 126. Sir, yesterday only you told that registration number was 12600. It shows that number is another. This side shows.
mm, I think this may not be the thing. Correct one. Um, I think different people give different opinion about that. ये सब आप सर्च किया?
हाँ सर मेरे को मिला नहीं बिजनेस डाटा ढंग से तब
ठीक है. If you don't get it, leave it. Maps of India इसमें मिलेगा ना? Hmm. I think this seems to be better. Agriculture Insurance Company of India Limited. It has been formed under the aegis of Government of India. As stated in Union Budget Speech 2, the main establishment was to assist the farmers and create an actuarial regime. At present, organized. So this one is useful. इसको पढ़ लो जी. Hello.
ओके सर
I am giving this in. Are you member of Telegram group?
यस सर
I am giving in that group the link. इसको देख लीजिए पढ़ लीजिए. This is a good material. I think I am satisfied with this. Here they are telling companies paid up capital is Indian rupees 200 crores. That is correct. It is contributed by General Insurance Company Corporation, New India Assurance, National Bank for Agricultural Rural Development, Oriental Insurance, National Insurance, United India Insurance. Okay. The Agricultural Insurance Company business profile. Here,
Okay, sir.
your state Rajasthan.
Done. Yes, sir.
राजस्थान में आपको it is coming
Yera.
not in year. Year how year first one an amount of farmers covered 15,059. I think it must be thousands, 15,000, 59,000. Then area under insurance, sum insured, gross premium collected, premium of subsidy, claims in rupees. That's what I said. I saw that
Okay, sir.
Rajasthan, they have collected premium of how much premium have they collected? Gross premium, some 458.
50.
58. Then premium subsidy, something they have given. Then claim kitna diya dekha? Wow, great, wow, 2,000.
622.
Something like that. इसको थोड़ा पूरा पढ़ लीजिए. This will be
Okay, sir.
sufficient for. Thank
Okay,
you.
sir.
Best
Thank you, sir.
wishes.
Thank
God
you, sir.
bless you. Send the
Thank
questions
you,
they
sir.
are asking. Thank you.
Oh, okay, sir.